What's going on, guys? Dustin here from Music and Gear Reviews. Today we're going to be checking out the Rode VideoMicro, and we're going to be doing that right now. Okay guys, so first off we're going to start without the Rode VideoMicro. As you can see here, check that out. How can I get the best quality audio for the least expensive as possible? I actually found this on eBay, used, I think, for like 40 bucks. Oh, I wanted to play a guitar for you guys to let you hear the difference between a guitar through the Rode VideoMicro and then from the onboard microphone. So let's check that out. Ooh, that thing is out of tune. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to test this baby out. This is the literally baby. It is a Taylor Big Baby. Alright, so now let's check it out with just the onboard microphone. So now we're on the internal microphone on the Sony A6400, and I'll play pretty much the same thing. So I love the Rode VideoMicro. I think it's an excellent microphone for the price point. But you guys let me know what you thought about the sound comparison and leave a comment below. Also, you guys do me a huge favor and crush those likes down there. I'd really appreciate it. I love you guys. I appreciate you supporting the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.